Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram message not showing a problem will be solved. Follow this step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open your mobile phone settings. Now tap on settings and scroll down. Now tap on app and tap on search bar. Search Instagram app and scroll down and tap on permission. Turn on all permissions. Now tap on notifications and turn on show notification and scroll down and turn on show notification and go back. Now tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and go back. Now tap on Play Store and search Instagram app. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If not updated, first of all update your Instagram app. After this, go back. After this, restart your device and check that your problem will be solved. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.